Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create breakout sessions on the Webex Meet application during a meeting. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now go to your home page by tapping on the first icon down below and then click on Start Meeting. Tap on Start after selecting your audio. Click on the three dots icon at the bottom of the page. Scroll down to till you find the breakout session option and click on it. Now you should select the number of sessions by tapping on the first box, ranging from 1 to 100. So select the relevant number, and as you can see, you have two options here: assign automatically or let participant choose any session. So click on the relevant one, and then if you want to create assignments, here you should assign people to the breakout sessions by clicking on the assign button. And then as you can see, there are all the breakout sessions listed. And if you want to add any more, click on the button add. And here if you tap on this more option, you have the chance to select this: only assigned participants can join. So tap on it. And if you click on the three dots icon, you can have three alternations, such as only assigned participants can join, rename your breakout session, or delete the session as well. If you are ready with it, then press the button Start Breakout Sessions down below in order to start your session. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.